The Adam Rocks comes with a textile electric folding top. The folding top comes with an inner textile cover and the outer textile cover assembly. To remove the folding top, place it in the comfort position. At the front, remove the inner textile cover from the groove of the outer textile cover assembly. It's mounted in the groove with 5 clips. Pull the inner textile cover off the rib of the assembly. It is still attached on both sides. On both sides, unscrew 2 bolts from the assembly. On the bracket, pull back the rubber retainer and pull out the strap. At the rear, unscrew the 6 fastening bolts of the outer textile cover assembly on the folding top frame. The 2 outer bolts may be hidden by the bodywork. At the rear, fold up the outer textile cover. On both sides, unscrew the bolts holding the inner textile cover and the strap to the folding top frame. Remove the clips of the inner textile cover from the plastic groove in the folding top frame. Slide the folding top back out of the rails and lift up to remove. On a table, separate the inner textile cover from the folding top assembly. Pull the inner textile cover out of the bows of the assembly. Position the new inner textile cover and press it into the grooves of the bows of the folding top assembly. When doing so, make sure that the fold of the inner textile cover ends at the rail. To refit the folding top, insert the sliders in the rails on both sides. Ensure that the straps are routed correctly. Push the inner textile cover into the rear groove of the folding top frame. Insert a bolt into the holes of the transferred strap. And screw the strap together with the inner textile cover to the folding top frame. At the rear, hook the outer cover into the folding top frame and fold down. From the inside, use 6 bolts to secure the outer cover to the rear folding top frame. At the front, insert the strap in the bracket on both sides and push up the rubber retainer so that the strap can't slip off. On both sides, tighten the 2 bolts for the folding top assembly. Attach the inner textile cover to the outer textile cover assembly and connect. Push the front piece of the inner textile cover into the clips in the groove of the assembly. Subsequently, check all the functions of the folding top.